Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to hide reposts on TikTok. If you want to hide reposts on TikTok, the steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app on your mobile device. The next is to click on your profile option found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the three line menu found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. Now you're going to see an option called private account. So you just have to click on the toggle close to it in order to turn it on. With the private account, only users that you approve or you're following can watch your videos on your TikTok account. Apart from that, no other person can watch it. So that's the only way you can make your repost to be private. So you just know that the way that I turn it on now, if I go to my repost, every repost that I have here is privatized now. Only my friends on TikTok or my followers on TikTok can see it. So guys, that's it on how to hide reposts on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.